Hello, Hot Wheels fans. So I'm branching off into a little more fun today here. It's not a serious review. I am going to show a second car, by the way. But, with XLT Off-Road Bear and diecast drinking beverages, I saw this at a shop. I had to get the carbonator, right? I mean, for a few bucks, why not? Well, not much to say. It's not much to review. It's a soda bottle with a seat. And it's on a brown base. It's riveted together. Made in Malaysia. When did this come out? 2008. Alright, so, well, it's pretty cool. It's a cool looking soda bottle, I guess, on wheels. Seems to be some sort of engine in there, a turbine of some sort. But the key is, can it open a beverage? Let us see. Yes, it can. Okay, so I actually don't drink alcohol much anymore because I'm susceptible to gout. Gout is a condition where your body can't process the acids out of foods in your bloodstream and it crystallizes, and basically it's like an arthritis kind of sort of thing. I've never seen this beverage before, but I've had many times in the past where I've gotten quite inebriated off of ciders, so I thought I'd give it a try. And it seems like this is from South Africa of all places. So give me 1 second. That's a fine cider. I would recommend that. It is a little dry, not super dry. Nah, it's dry, but it's good. I like it. Okay, so carbonator did its job. I'll leave that there. I think the car you might be interested in might be this, if you're a Hot Wheels fan, or you happen to like classic animes, or a movie from 2008 called Speed Racer. So Speed Racer, as the West knows it, in Japan it's called Mach Go Go Go. It was originally a Japanese franchise. It was originally in print form, in books and mangas. And then later in the late 60s, it was turned into a cartoon, anime. And there was 52 episodes between 67 and 68. And then it was later on televised in America. And it was estimated that maybe 40 million viewers in the U.S. watched this show between the 1960s and 70s. I was too young. I only watched maybe one episode, maybe. But I do remember the 2008 movie, and I think it was a pretty funny movie. I found it to be quite humorous. It's ridiculous, really. So this car, the Mach 5 is called, is supposed to have 5,000 horsepower distributed equally to each wheel with auxiliary engines. I'm not sure what that means. I'm getting this information from Wiki Fandom. And it's supposed to go up to 250 miles per hour. And it has a whole bunch of gadgets, like some automatic jacks that let it jump over things or crush other cars, special grip tires, a sprout grip of some sort, cutter blades in the front so it can cut trees down, some sort of defense deflector shield that seals the cockpit from gases and makes it watertight so it can swim underwater. And then there's a homing pigeon robot because you need to send some messages somewhere, I guess. Anyways, I thought I'd get it because I just think of Japanese animes, and this is one of the tops of them. I know that Tomica makes a version, but when you look at that model, it has vents in the side that don't exist on the cartoon car, and the wings on the Tomica don't even remotely look like the drawings of this vehicle. So Hot Wheels, or Chara Wheels, this Japanese version, seems to have gotten it right. And Chara Wheels is made by Bandai, which is a really good Japanese company making Gundam model kits, so they're really precise in their model kits, at least. Yeah, I can see through the blister here, it says 2001, and actually on the back I think it said 2001 as well. And then just some more Japanese text, if you guys can read that stuff, which I cannot. I didn't pay a great deal. I definitely paid a lot of money for this, but when I look at eBay prices, part of me makes me think I should just resell this. But for me, if I want to invest money, I would buy gold. I wouldn't buy diecast cars. For me, I'm all about having fun, right? So if I buy $100 or whatever these things go for. And let's take a look at this model here. A little blister there. So it's like a Coke bottle shape. Yeah, very voluptuous shape, like mid-60s. Reminds me of 60s vehicles, maybe 50s vehicles, Jaguars and stuff, and Ferraris. This M is supposed to represent the logo of the family that makes a bunch of race cars, and that, what was the name? Mifune Motors. That's what that M stands for. 5 is the racing number for speed. Speed Racer is the driver there that was pictured in the back. The car is supposed to have a red interior, so Hot Wheels or Bandai got that right. There's a trunk here, and I'm not sure what that would be. Maybe some gadget pops out of that. Obviously some door panels, a little casting issue there. I believe these must be the headlights. And I know that Chara Wheels has another version where the bottom half of it is painted light blue or metallic. So I think that's more accurate to the original cartoon, but I went with this one. I don't know, I just like the all white one myself. Okay, so this side, just looking over, see if any imperfections. Not really. There's like a little bump here, but I think it's part of the casting process. It's actually maybe part of the mold. So it's not a error or anything like that. Tiny little bit of contaminant there. But okay, but all in all, it's held up pretty well for a model that came out in 2001, right? This is a 20-year-old car. So, which makes me go back to, you know, the premium brands, Kyosho and TLV. Why is your paint so bad in 2 years, or 5 years, or 10 years, when this Hot Wheels is 20 years old and it looks like it's brand new? So what's going on in this industry, guys? It's not good. Anyways, here's the bottom. Yeah, 2001, B China. That must be Bandai China. And then I'm not sure what that would be. Maybe Chara Wheels? Not exactly sure. Riveted together, plastic wheels, no rubber or anything like that. So yeah, all in all, that looks like the car to me. Let's give it a little spin, and you can compare it to the photograph in the back there. And I will take a sip. Yeah, it's good cider. Okay, yeah, I guess it's time for me to go.